welcome back to Todd Family Farm. It's Rocky's ball. Today is December 14th, I think. It's Tuesday. Now, I must admit, I was extremely excited when I heard that on Wednesday, the weather was supposed to be 72 degrees out. That is amazing, until I happened to glance over on the weather panel to the precipitation and wind things. You know that? Okay, we're supposed to get severe thunderstorms and 54-mile-per-hour wind on the only day that's actually going to be pretty nice out. So we are gonna get everything prepared for some strong wind. So yeah, I'll probably vlog tomorrow too, because it should be interesting with how windy it's gonna be. So let's watch the T-bone eat the hay. Oh, there you got it. Okay. Okay, so we're over at the barn now. You guys have seen my chores quite a bit, so I think I'm going to give the camera to Emma today, and she takes care of T-Bone, and she'll show you what goes into taking care of him every day. So, yeah, you can. There's Emma.
I have no idea of this.
She didn't know yet, but she's fine.
Alright, you can't really see me in the barn, but I guess I'm doing a video, so I had no idea of this. But I'm going to show you what I do every single day for this cow, or steer. Yeah, his name is T-Bone. So, first what I do, and I don't know if you're going to be able to see this at all or not, but I've got this hay bale. And it's not really hay bale anymore, but I always give him about a flake or so of hay. Alright, I've got him some hay. And now I'm going to feed him. So I give him whole corn and then ground corn, and I mix it half and half. And he usually cleans off most of it. As you can see, he's still got some in here. But I've got a bucket of ground, and then I've got a bucket of whole, and I'm just going to mix it together. Alright, got the feed poured in. Trying to record it, but then the camera fell into the pan, so don't tell Abby. She's probably gonna see it when she gets the footage, but don't tell her. Let T-Bone eat. Alright, next thing I have to do is now water him. Here's his tub right here. I've got 2 buckets, and there's a hydrant over there, so I'm gonna go get some water now. Takes 2 buckets to fill up his 3, if you want to get it absolutely full. But his was already about half full, maybe a little less, and now it's good. So, look, there's a cat. So nice of a cat. Alright, I've completed T-Bone now. So, I've watered him, got him some hay, which he's over there eating, and then he'll eat that feed. That's in the green tub. So, give the camera back to Abby. Okay, it is now the next day. The weather forecast has gotten a bit worse since I last told you about it. So we're now supposed to get like 80-mile-per-hour winds with severe thunderstorms possible and possibly some tornadoes. So No one knows.
yeah, but they don't really know. We could have super severe tornadoes, or we might not get anything. We really don't know. But right now, it is like beautiful outside. It is like 50 degrees, I think. And it's wonderful out here. We're gonna head to the barn now. Hello, sheep. So I am gonna leave the sheep pinned up today because it's gonna be really rough this afternoon, and I think it's just safer for them to stay up in this building. So I'm gonna get them some hay, possibly a little bit of grain. I don't know if I'm gonna give it to them this afternoon, depending on how windy it is then, but I'm gonna give them a little bit of hay, then it'll be good. Fill your water up. Debbie is my buddy again today. All right, let's get to work. No. Okay, so I've decided that I'm just gonna go ahead and give the sheep their grain now. I usually give it to them in the afternoon when I would put them up, but I'm not gonna even be putting them up this afternoon because they're staying up, and I don't want to have to worry with it this afternoon if the weather is too rough. So I'm gonna go ahead and give them their grain. One thing about our sheep, they will trample me to get the food from me. So I have to be pretty careful going in there. So yes, they're very ornery. I'm gonna try and set you up somewhere and we'll get this put in. They're desperate. Whoa, 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 and whoa. Would you stop running over me, you ornery little sheep? Whoa. Well, if you would let me pour it in there nicely, we wouldn't have this big trouble. So, the ravenous little beasts are eating. As you can see, they're very vicious when it comes to feed. But once they get feed, they're very focused. So, see you later, sheep. I don't know if you can see me at all, but it is a while later. It is almost 8 o'clock. The power went out like 7:30, but it's been really windy. We had some pretty hard rain, but it's simmering down now. But we have our candles on the walls turned on. We don't know when the power will come back on because it's out like all across 3 different towns right now, I think. We are just hunkering in here. Everybody's in here. We don't normally have a recliner sitting in the middle of the floor, which I don't think you can even see, so it doesn't matter. But the rain was coming down super hard and actually started coming in the windows a little bit, so we had to move the recliner. We just put a video out tonight before the storm hit, and we've had people asking us if we're okay and stuff, so thank you. That was impressive. We actually had someone send us an email asking if we were okay, so thank you to everyone. And yeah, that's about all I know. It's just a black screen right now. You can't see me at all. Okay. So yeah, that is the update for now. We'll see when our power comes back on. Hopefully by morning. Just stop. Okay, it is now the next morning. So the power did come back on, which we were surprised at. Yesterday they said like over 100,000 people were without power in Iowa. And we thought it'd be a little while before they got the power back on because some of like the main lines or something went out. I'm not sure, but power came back on like 10:30 last night, so that was really nice. We do have, I think I showed you a little bit last night, some candles on the wall. So that gives us a little bit of light whenever the power goes out, and we have some lamps that you can light. So yeah, we were in pretty good shape. It was like 70 degrees yesterday, so it was actually pretty warm inside. But today you can probably tell by my clothing that it is very cold yet again. So it's either actually pretty nice with possible tornadoes or no tornadoes and freezing cold. So don't think we got a ton of damage. Okay, so we come outside here. My eyes are a little bit watering because it's so windy, but that water tank was previously up there with the other water tank, and it blew all the way down there. So we did have some pretty strong winds. It's pretty impressive that I got it down there because it would have had to come through that little gap there. So got it done though, I guess. Still pretty windy. It is freezing cold out here. So there we go. This is what I would be concerned about because this will break off the valve, but it's still on. It looks good. So yeah, it appears to be in good shape. Well, the corn crib is still standing. This is supposed to be in the horse's pen. Blew up over the fence out here. Hello, sheep. How are you? You get along all right in that big wind? Hello, Mr. Buck. Okay, me and Tom are here. We're going to be giving you some commentary and an outro. So, yeah, it's cold out right now, but I wanted to film outside. So, okay, Tom's tired of it. I'm here. I'm going to be giving you a little bit of commentary and an outro. But it's cold out here, but we're filming outside because I wanted to film outside. So, we did not get hit with the worst of the storm. They are calling it a derecho, another one. I don't know, not the exact spot that hit us, but up further north where it was stronger. They are calling it a derecho. So I guess we had like a little over 80-mile-per-hour wind for a little while. No tornadoes though, which is really, really nice. We're very thankful for that. And we didn't really have much damage at all because we had gotten everything pretty prepared for wind, so everything went through really well. We didn't get much damage at all. Like that water tank being blown down the hill is some of the most that we got. So got a little bit more footage before we end the video. We were splitting and stacking some wood the other day in our wood shed, so you can go watch that and then we'll come back and give you an outro. Okay guys, that is going to be it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure that you like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. We love hearing from you in the comments. And we'll see you next time.